friends may not be friends for everything. I might have a friend that sticks closer to me than a brother, but I can't talk to you about business. And if business is right now all I am doing, there might be a bit of distance in aspects, but you are a friend indeed. It's just that this part of my life, that's a big part of my life, I can't share it with you as much because you may not be on the same trajectory. And it's about really, it can be very hard. So outgrowing friendships, right? People outgrow friendships because maybe the trajectory of your life is different. Maybe you're not a mother and your friends are all mothers, or maybe you're in a relationship and your friends are not in a relationship, or maybe you divorced and your friends are all married, or maybe your friends are not working and you are working, and maybe you're traveling and your friends are not. You see, the trajectory of your life might be different, and then that might cause some distance to friends. But that's why it's important about knowing what is your definition of friendship, because that friend can still be a close friend to you, but you both recognize that where you are in life is slightly different, and there may not be as much to talk about. But if I need you, you're there for me. If you need me, I'm there for you.